Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. Today's end of day report is February the 14th, 2017, Tuesday, Valentine's Day. But in the markets, a pretty boring, lopsided day. As you can see here on this weekly chart, nothing really going on here. As you can see on the daily chart, again, this is gold. Really nothing happening. Pretty boring today. Taking a look at silver. Same thing. Nothing's really going on. Except for silver is maintaining its bullish stance a lot better than gold. So silver's looking really bullish and it's maintaining, and I think that we could see a quick run up here of at least to 19 in the near distant, not too near far away future here. Taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. Had a little weakness today with Janet Yellen. As soon as she opened her mouth, the market gave back a little bit, but it's to be expected. We hit new highs, excuse me. So pullback at some point is expected anyway, but not a lot to talk about today. Nothing really happened there. Taking a look at some of the miners. For the most part, they were all over the place as well. A lot of jumping around, back and forth, back and fill. Just nothing. See, we came down, looked like it was going to sell off, and then ran right back up again. So markets are kind of at an equilibrium across the board. Take a look here at the bond futures. Same thing. We came, hit a new low, and then came back up again. So we're setting up for another leg down. Excuse me, or this is going to go deeper sideways inside the cloud. I don't think there's anything to do with bonds for a while yet. Bonds are just here. They're not doing anything. Looking at the US dollar index, still being defended by the Fed. The Fed trying to do whatever it takes to keep this thing pumped up. Here we are. We're still inside the Kumo cloud, and we're at 101.18.5. Pretty self-evident. I mean, there's nothing else to talk about. Every time it looks like it wants to fall down, they just bring it right back up again. Only problem, though, is if you look at the weekly chart, again, coming off of that several weeks of down, and now we're trying to build momentum here. I think a run to 102 is in order. Maybe even 104 is going to be in play. I'll go ahead and say 104 is going to be in play. Let's see what else. Anything of note? Really, no. I'll just pull up the crude oil so you can see that real quick. It's not a whole lot to talk about. Here's your weekly crude oil. Again, narrow range, inside week on the weekly. On the daily chart, we got nothing. Elongated, sideways consolidation. That's about it. And yeah, the price action is taking place outside the Kumo cloud, but this trend line is in the Kumo cloud. We need for the trend lines to rise up and push price higher. Need to get above 54. It's not happening. Got to get a close above 54 if we're going to make that run to 60. So that's where we are. A whole lot of nothingness today. Not a whole lot to talk about. Nothing of note. Nothing worthy. We're just on the sidelines waiting to snipe our next target. That's what it boils down to. So with that being said, remember, come on over to pulsewavetrading.com so you can learn how to trade and navigate these waters. Learn how to compete and beat the other algorithms that are out there. Learn how to turn the central bank on its head. Learn how to take advantage of opportunities and hedge your physical portfolio. And learn how you can make a living to take care of you and your family. PulseWaveTrading.com. To the rest of you, see you in the trading room. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.